Hey guys, got a new tool on the channel that I wanted to share with you guys. It is the Milwaukee Fuel M12 installation driver. Really unique tool that I've just been using a whole lot, and I can really appreciate the tool itself. Some of the features, well, let me start here. The model number on it is 2520. The unique what makes this one unique is the fact that it has this head that will come off. So right there I had the drill head on it. It's a clutched head that you can use, and it's really good for if you just want to cinch down things just to that right spot. You can dial it in and get it exactly where you need it to be. But if you need an impact, it has the impact head for it. So again, super handy right there. To make it even cooler is it has a right-handed impact there. So I shouldn't say impact. You can put the impact on the end of this, as is the drill or any other item, but it gives you the flexibility of having that right-handed when you're right in those tight corners and you need to, to have something that's going to be able to give you a little bit more oomph, but you've got small space, this will do it for you. And this right-handed, you can put the drill on there or any other of the options. The other really nice piece is the offset head. I'll put this one on here for you, so you can see how it's offset to the frame of the driver. So again, if you have a fastener that is in a real tight corner, you're obviously not going to be able to get to it, even though this has a real nice flat top that you can really get into those tight spaces. This one will let you get in there. And again, if you take it and you can adjust it how it sits on this collet, it will be able to work in any different angle. So really cool. The majority of the time lately I've been using it with the drill head, just because I've been using the ability to be able to dial in that torque. It's got 2 speeds, 1 and 2. Up here is where you can adjust your forward and reverse or lock it out. You've got your power meter right here. It's got a really nice belt clip on it. And up here in the front, obviously it's got an LED, but it also has this magnetic strip. So if you need to, say, put a bit on there, it'll hold a bit. Or if you're working with some certain fasteners and you get them taken out of whatever you're working on and you don't want to lose them, you can stick them right on there. But really nice tool. Again, it's on the M12 platform, uses the smaller battery or the larger ones that has the larger head on it. But all in all, it is a super cool tool. I love it, and I'm glad that I added it to my arsenal of Milwaukee tools, because I really like their power tools, and I'd say that they stand behind them from my experience also. So that's it. Just wanted to share this with you guys. We'll have links down below if you want to check anything out. But until next time, talk to you later. Bye-bye.